about the politics watch. This is certain. Now, today, 2 videos have to go drop. You see, it was supposed to be a video yesterday, but I say may experiment with a new, editing style of the intro and thing. Next thing you know, until you have something more work, good, no problem. And you run gone for screwdriver and run gone for drill and say you go do this street. Next thing you know, you top work. Well, I that one. So the video for drop yesterday, I go drop today, and the video for today. So 2 videos today. Plus a third one, I go drop on Patreon. Because I'm going to show now a video of the child of a multi-millionaire artist. I try everything to convince people to say my bad man to tell him father and him. I feel in a wrestling match. Because I'm telling you, if it can't be money, you born with a gold spoon in 9 months. And a business about that. Still want to be a bad man. So this is the first video. Later on in the evening, I'll give the second video. This one, I will show in a video. And in the video, you're going to see something happen. Basically, every day, every week. There's a club fight in a place that they call. There's a place named Mecca. I said, look, you really show them video and cover them things there. Yes, but there's a part of the video where stand out to me, I have to cover it because I'm telling you that in an acidic environment, everything is reversed. And now we are see it. I want Carlton tune in too. If you know your bridging on Carlton, if you know your bridging is Carlton and him not tune in, link him. Because I have to see certain things and not want to, I used to believe it. Now, as I say, look like it's a new club this thing, called Mecca. But so we are dinosaurs, so we know about them place. What we say, new thing, trending thing, Back in the old days, they have places like Cactus and them place there. Them place was the trending place them time there. Foolishness used to go on too. A long time the culture has it. People say, boy, look at YouTuber, you really washed up dinosaur, man. A cactus, I carry it. Man. A long time sitting, no? We can even talk about some places before that. But why more want to show this video clip? The whole bar fight, club fight, standard procedure that right across the board. I'm telling you, say, when the place is acidic, anywhere you go in the world, and you see you're in an acidic environment, but I know you should know how to spot it. And they give you some of the signs them to look out for. But anytime you do anywhere in Ireland, Trinidad, North America, especially Uncle Sam place, especially places like Chicago and Philadelphia and place there. If you say you want to go out in a club, there's certain signs to look out for. To reduce getting yourself caught in the middle of one of them stampede. Anyway, you say too much, man. Ideally you want a 3-to-1 ratio. 3 females to 1 male, minimum. That's the first thing you want to make sure that a 3-to-1 female ratio. Female to male ratio. Then after that, you want to look for the type of man, because they see, until they say a lack of money causes violence, then it's a unicorn meet that, because the man in them club they spend big money, right? They might buy liquor which cost more than enough people rent. Right? Man in them club they spend money where people work for a whole month to make them spend that on like liquor. But then them are the first set of man to fight war and dead. I'm going to show you the clip, man. There's a one part of the video I really want to miss. But they say when time the man them they run each other and the egos kick in and the liquor start beat, right? And then go hear 3-4 gun song in a row. Man then get charged up. And you know you say, we can mention song for. Anybody will tell you say, especially in a club setting, the type of tune them play that helps set the tone. Right? It's either an actual child or just an adult like you. Especially back in the day, because them things are not new now. In Ireland, just know so when you reach certain section of the party, you better start keep your head on a swivel because some foolishness might jump off because when man start beat them guineas. And the man go hear 3-4 song jump up. And if a boy step and kill the boy right now, become like say a man ton in a John Wick. A man charged up. It's a long time them things that go on. But I spot something in the video where this new to me. I go play the clip. Check this out. You see that? Carlton, you see that? So the woman will go tell you, say, you need to open door for her and pull out her chair or else you're not getting an eagle eye. Is throwing her life on the line, right? Shielding a man from the chaos, and when time the man realized the coast clear, the man run left her. She nearly just broke her neck. Well, let me play it one more time in case you miss it. We can clearly say the man is being shielded. Then when the coast clear, the man take off like Usain Bolt in Beijing. The man take off so fast as it look like the exhaust fumes, right, blow away the woman behind him, you know. See the woman near the drop. You know you have some mad car, right? One time you catch you one gear night, right, and it lift off, right. If you're there behind it, right, you're gonna get blow away. You're gonna all deaf to the exhaust sound. Like that one now. It look like say the dog catch you one gear right there so. So it's like him in a neutral, you know. Right, they must shield him. So the woman cover him there. Like she say, come, let me, I'll protect you to the death. And I try to shield him and the dog I try to find the one gear, you know. And when the man realize say, him out of the kill zone. The man goes and catch the one gear and lift up. All the exhaust nearly blow her away. Meanwhile, Carlton, I tell her, say, boy, bro, she said the reason why she don't like me because, you know, one time we never did pull out the chair. Pull out chair. My youth just see with their own 2 eyes. Women out there, I throw them life on the line. I shield man in a fight. A long time. We dey around the culture and see what go on. I've seen many dance turn upside down. I've seen many venues turn upside down. But what me dey always see was the woman them I run under the man them protection. Now the man them I run under the woman them arm protection, and then when the coast clear, the man run. They have to see. I saw used to go, you know. When foolishness go on, woman I run come each upside of you, and then when they reach a safe spot, right, she keep running, you know. You gotta tell her if you go on, right, because you and your boys them might want him back to make sure say nobody not run back on you. So you have to leave more time, so you can get caught out in a straight town. And you want to put, you have to make sure say nobody not run back on you. Right, so you gotta reach a certain spot and say, alright, when you go on, run in that car. And then you and 2 of your boys them stay back to make sure say the not run come to. Kinda know what. When you start confusion, you know what go on, you know. The game change, Carlton. Now the woman them a shield the man them. And then the man them as, alright, it's safe. See you later. Terrible. I mean not talk about, right, the quote unquote done in a jail. Run can't you see the woman nearly broke her neck. The woman nearly broke her neck. The exhaust fumes. Too much. Now you might say, look at you, but you know it's on our brother, on our friend. Or if it was us, a matter of fact, either my brother and sister, If them a brother and sister a shield brother, and then brother reach one spot and kick off now one girl left with sister. If I might pick them, if that was my son and my daughter, anyway them have to find him. As big as him be. And me a this to the daughter. Like me raise a boy and a girl and then go somewhere together and chaos jump off. And my daughter, right, this big ugly boy with me raise, make my girl Pitney I shield him and then run left for her. Right, he might get 2 punches to the ribs, right, and she, right, I get this one. And then I go looking at the mirror, right, and ask myself, right, some serious questions. Because clearly as a father, I do something wrong too. Yes, the thing there. Broskis. Yes, the thing there. Right. Everything is reversed. Right. Remember, in an acidic environment, everything is reversed. So what is considered evil is now cool. Masculine turn feminine. Strong turn weak, weak turn strong, everything turn upside down, you know. But then again, one could argue that women fight for years to them want equality and equal treatment. So I guess this is the byproduct of equality. So ladies enough to start protect more man and dead for more man. A years man are dead for woman. A year enough youth, me know. Not hear about, not read about, but you tell me know. Grew up with, we're in this cemetery right now, protecting a woman. And him dead and she live. So the game change on now. We're living in equal time now. So look, ladies, I've got to start throwing myself on the line out there now. Man and man, when you see what going on, so the game change. I know say the PIA man in my course, right? Look at you talk about, I throw myself on the line. No man. All the patrons for ladies in my course. Look at you, brother. Not tell me about 3 church line pound fool, you must be mad. That I won't say no, but me see that. Carlton, if you understand how the game work. All them only guidelines and stipulations, right, which they attach to the nigga like for you until they say you have to do this and do this and do this and do this and do this. And if you do this, all them things they get thrown out of the window. Right, for the man when she actually want. Right. Of course, you know, when you take a little humor into it, we actually know what relation to they have. What all misses are females, right, shielding a man, and the man, each of them are going to take himself. Unless that was a mother shielding her 10-year-old boy, it just not makes sense to my eyes. But me a dinosaur, remember that. When I feel to myself, I speak from the perspective of a dinosaur. But a different time now, equality. Ladies, we start throwing yourself on the line. I'll start throwing yourself in front of a gunshot. I just say thing there right now. No equality, right? A years man I throw themselves in front of a gunshot and I stop cool man. So ladies, I wanna say, you know, ladies in my course right now. Look, YouTuber, tell me the foolishness. What throw yourself on the line? Why they say thing? Me mind a Carlton. She could tell you say, she can't take a drive in your car because it not insure. She not believe in a breaking law. She can't drive in your car because your car not insure. And she not believe in a breaking the law. But she ride on sci-fi bike and sci-fi bike now have no papers. Plus him have illegal matic in him waist. And she carry the extra ammo. They take it too personal and it's all good. The devil is lighting up the moon. Look out for the video later. Man, that one I go serious though. That one I go well serious. Now of course. That one I have for the woke to this time. But you see the video with the police, quote unquote police, with them just like police and soldier. Which by the way are the 2 worst costumes, are the 2 least believable soldiers in the United States of my life. I don't know who could have believed them that actually they live soldier. But the 87 them just up like police and soldier and rob the place and instead I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about more. I'm going to talk about how we can deal with the robbery of an Iron Man. Yes, we're going to crack all robbery case. We're going to finish. When that we're done, there should be no more well, not no more, but at least half of the reported robberies in Iron Man should get wiped out after we drop the video. We are coming something off the wall. This is not a conventional method. The one I want to go say, look at you, you're a madman. And then I think about it for 3 days and say no, say it can't work. So look over that video there. And Patreon Squad, look up a phone in video too. Speaking about Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see yourself clean. Bless.